Welcome to the Weidmüller stand. Today, I would like to show you that cabinet building of the future is already a reality with Weidmüller. You want digital data continuity from planning to the workshop? With our software solutions and ECAD interfaces, we make digital integration possible already today. With the Weidmüller tool chest, you can reduce your search times, increase your work quality, and improve your efficiency by up to 10%. For more automation, our WPC is exactly what you need. For example, software-controlled processing of jobs in one-piece flow. Simple, flexible, and efficient. Our printing systems are up to any challenge in the industry. With numerous solutions for marking terminals, conductors, and equipment, you will find the right printer for you and your workshop. If you want to save even more time, our fully automatic solutions for mounting and labeling complete DIN rails are just what you need. Rail assembler and rail laser, an unbeatable duo. Weidmüller is your partner for more efficiency in cabinet building. Up to 80% faster processes with 100% planning reliability. For more information, please visit our website. We look forward to getting in contact with you.